Right, now at the stage, done the farmers 2 tabletops. So I'm going to book match them later day. Might make cut a couple of lengths for some frame for the top. Got the big chunky legs out over there. So now just cut myself another 8-inch thick slab. Got the vertical mill set back on there. Gonna take the first cut off. Might keep this little bit here for this first cut for a little mantelpiece. Got a nice bit of feature there. Down in there. I've also worked out bringing that my acro prop, which I use as my lift. I've been able to lift the board up a bit. But I've also worked out that if I push these up in the air, the little stands for the Loggersill track, I can bring it up enough height just to miss the slab underneath it. Because yesterday I was cutting through. If you remember, I had a load of cuts, all the different thicknesses, all along here. And I just thought it was going to be hassle to just try and line them all back up again. Time consuming. So then I decided to cut that off, and I've just thrown it up on the log bench. Saw that another day. So I'm going to cut this off now and come back in and cut. I wish now I'd pulled this towards this way a bit more, because the minute I've gone now to cut 3 or 4, not too sure. I might just still do an inch and a quarter. Keep a little bit on there for planing, because now after those first few cuts I'm going to have to take all this off again, slide it down, because I keep forgetting. Whole idea why I wanted to use this system is just by undoing this, I can slide me adjustment for the thickness of the next boards. And this was me other. Still use this now. This is the Alaskan vertical mill. Just slides along on this. As I say yesterday, that decking board I use. She's about 8 foot long. This is a little V channel you put on there, so the mill will slide along on there. Bolt your saw down in through there. That one's alright as well. You've got these pinch bolts. Can't quite see it, it's a bit tight on doing by hand. That one there. Got these 2 little pinch bolts that pinch on the bars, stop it from moving. But I like that as well, because you can slide up and down on the bar and just pinch it where you want, so you can miss all that together. And I've done it a couple of times before. You can just leave the wedge, it's just the thickness of your wedge, just up just right, just so your tip just goes through your cut. I don't know, I think both got their ups and downs, these mills, I suppose, don't they? But they do both work. It's just time consuming again, but there ain't no worry, I suppose. It'll get done one day. So I'm going to carry on. I might even I might do a little demo of this one. Not too sure. Now this is all set up, I think I might. No, I haven't finished my the 661 yet on my Panther mill. Otherwise I could took the engine unit off and put a bar on there and just done a little demo of that one, but I might do that another day. I'll get on now and just rip a few boards off in there. Again, I've gone for 8-inch wide derby. I'll put some pictures up in a bit of see how we get on, what the boards look like. I'll crack on.